My name's Carrie and I'm the director of B. Thornton and Sons Limited. Last year we did have a visit from HSE that it was highlighted that there was an issue with the extraction. So initially I contacted Dust Arrest and spoke to Kelly, and she arranged for Bob to come out to see me at the bakery. Bob visited us and he assessed the bakery. He had so much knowledge, he gave us so much reassurance. It was after months and months of, trying to find different solutions. As soon as Bob walked in, I did feel as though he was our, knight in shining armour as such, that this was it. We'd actually turned a corner. When Bob left us, I felt as though, we'd found a solution. So Bob sent me all the information through. I sent it over to HSE. They came back to me and said, yes, looking at the specifications, you've had somebody in who's assessed everything, and we're happy for you to go ahead with that. So I spoke to Kelly in the office and said to her, I've got a deadline, Kelly. And she said, eek, right, okay, I'll see what I can do. And she was absolutely amazing. She kept me in touch all the way through, let me know when it was going to arrive, because we had got a deadline from HSE as well. And the system arrived, and we very easy to install, super simple as well. So even I could do it, which was great. From the minute that I spoke to Kelly, the whole process had just been flawless, so easy, so reassuring. I didn't feel as though I was being sold something that I didn't need. I didn't feel as though I was having to buy a piece of equipment just for that sale. It was, looking at where we were as a bakery, looking at our budget, looking at what was going to be suitable for us. So yes, I would definitely recommend Dust Arrest to anybody.